You need to hear this if you're a keto enthusiast. We're making a sizzling, mouth-watering Jamaican jerk chicken in no time. First things first, preheat that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab your chicken breasts, about 4 of them for a family meal. Now for that authentic jerk flavor, mix up a quick marinade. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and a tablespoon of coconut aminos for that keto-friendly twist. Add in 1 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a good pinch of nutmeg. Don't forget a clove of minced garlic and a teaspoon of ginger for that spicy kick. Oh, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. Rub that marinade all over your chicken breasts. Let them soak in all that goodness for about 15 minutes. Pop them onto a baking sheet and into the oven they go. Bake for about 25-30 minutes or until they're juicy and cooked through. And there you have it, folks. Delicious, keto-friendly Jamaican jerk chicken ready in under an hour. Perfect for meal prepping or a quick dinner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty keto recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking from Keto Fit Haven.